In this video, I will walk you through how to read Binance price charts. If you want to trade on Binance, one of the most useful skills you can learn is how to read the price chart. The chart helps you see how a coin has been moving and can give you a better idea of when to buy or sell. To get started, open Binance and go to the trading page for any coin pair, like BTC to USDT. In the middle of the screen, you'll see the price chart. This chart shows how the price has changed over time. The first thing to look at is the time frame. Binance lets you switch between different chart intervals, like 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, or 1 day. A shorter time frame shows small price movements happening quickly, while a longer time frame gives you a bigger picture of the trend. Next, look at the candlesticks. Each candle represents price movement during the selected time frame. A green candle usually means the price went up during that period, while a red candle means the price went down. Each candlestick has 4 important parts: the open, close, high, and low. The open is where the price started, the close is where it ended, the high is the highest price reached, and the low is the lowest price reached during that time. If the candle body is long, it means the price moved strongly in one direction. If the candle has long wicks, that means the price moved up or down during the time frame, but pulled back before the candle closed. You'll also notice the price scale on the right side of the chart. This shows the current price levels. At the bottom of the chart, you'll see the time scale, which tells you when those price movements happened. Another useful section is the volume bars, usually shown below the main chart. Volume tells you how much of that coin was traded during each candle. Higher volume often means stronger market activity. You can also add indicators like moving averages, RSI, or MACD if you want more chart analysis tools. But if you're just starting out, focus first on the candlesticks, time frame, and volume. And that's the basic way to read Binance price charts. Once you understand these parts, you'll be able to follow price action more confidently and make better trading decisions.